Today we are going to prepare a delicious rice with chicken in its Huancaina potato and get to work. We will begin to chop our chicken prey, and we will take it to a container and add a little salt. We add freshly ground pepper and cumin, and we add a little black beer. Some add chicha de jora, but black beer gives it a better taste and smell. And we take to reserve, and we will cut an onion into squares. We also use carrots and green peas that we are going to peel and shell. Hey, your special effects again. Shelled green peas and carrots in squares. And we proceed to cut our cilantro with everything and stem. That gives it a good flavor, and we add spinach. There are people who don't like it, but it does for us, and it also gives it a good color. We add for basil leaves, a piece of cayenne. There are people who don't like it. If you want, you can remove it. Hey, don't be naughty. What are you doing? Hey, that's the beer to blend. Well, of course, we add it and blend it, and we will proceed to blend the cilantro very carefully. And we put our kitchen into action. A secret, a paprika passed through fire gives it a delicious flavor. We put it in a bag so that it is easier to peel. After 5 minutes, thanks to the bag, the skin of the paprika will be removed much easier. Once removed and washed, we cut it into strips and take it to reserve. We will put our pot, a little of oil, and once your oil is hot, we will add our chicken very carefully. The chicken already seasoned. Remember, once it is sealed on one side, we will turn around and do the same with the other prays. Once both parts are sealed, we remove the chicken pray very carefully. Hey, wait, there's still a long way to go. In the same pot, where we seal our chicken pray, we will add onion and fry for a while. Add garlic and fry very well. Freshly ground pepper, a little yellow chili or yellow chili paste, and we add a little cumin. A little bit of salt. Hey, are you going to add turmeric? There are people who are afraid of him. I really don't understand, but let's add it. We add a little. Hey, did you know that turmeric is very good for all types of inflammation? No, I was not referring to that type of inflammation. You are like this because you eat a lot. And we add the liquefied coriander, and we add 1 liter with 100 milliliters of water. We return the previously sealed chicken pieces, and we cover, and we will let it cook in between 7 to 9 minutes, depending on the size of your prey. And we remove the chicken pieces one by one, very carefully, and we add a little juice so that they do not dry out. We add 1.5 kilos of previously washed rice, green peas, carrot, and mix it very well. We will lower our fire and go to cook our potatoes a la Huancaina. We will cut extreme parts of the chili. We split it in half and very carefully remove the veins, and we will cut half an onion finely, and 2 cloves of garlic. And in a frying pan with a little oil, we saute our Huancaina ingredients, and we proceed to flame it to give it a good flavor. Very carefully, once cold, we add to our blender a little evaporated milk, and we will blend it. I will tell you a secret. We add a boiled egg yolk, a little cracker, and a little fresh cheese. The cheese is for the Huancaina cream. We also add some parsley leaves and a little salt to correct the flavor. And that's it. After 18 minutes, that rice must already be drying, almost ready, and we will add a little oil to make it grainy. The rice turned out very rich and grainy, and we add our parboiled corn, which was boiled with a little sugar and a little lemon, and we will return our chicken pray very carefully, with all the juice I had reserved there, and our pepper cut into strips. Cover and let cook for 5 minutes. After time, this rice is ready. So let's go serve. Look how delicious it turned out. It's chicken pray, and it's very Creole salsa. And it is mandatory to accompany it with its Huancaina potato.